Jacob Zuma is only loyal to himself and his children. Look at how he has dealt with Dr. John Hlophe. The man was impeached as a judge because of trying to protect Jacob Zuma. But look at what Zuma has done to him now. In the world of Jacob Zuma, loyalty is the most valuable currency. But what happens when the most loyal ally, a man who risked his entire career for Zuma's benefit, is suddenly cast out? This is the story of Dr. John Hlophe, the first judge to be impeached in democratic South Africa for doing a political favor to Jacob Zuma.